Hi, this is a video guide on how to do a Riverside County, California inmate search. There should be a link in the description. You can click on that. It's going to take you to Riverside County specific page. You can also type californiapublicrecords.org in your browser. It's going to take you to the main page here. Just hover over other records, select inmate search. It's going to take you to the California inmate page. And then just select the appropriate county. So Riverside County. Once you're here, first thing you want to check is the Sheriff's Department, and we got a link for you here, so you can click on that. So they got a database. If you got a last name, you can start your search with that. Another option is the court system, and what's great about the court system is anytime somebody is arrested and becomes an inmate in the Riverside County Jail, they will eventually have to see a judge, and that creates a court record, which is a public record. So this is another database. This is great, particularly for some of the older jail or inmate and arrest type records, because the Sheriff's Department doesn't typically keep them for that long. So if you need to go back in time, you got to use the court system. So once you're here, you just click on Riverside Public Access, and you can search by case number, by name, and you got a couple of different options here. So these are your local options here. Another thing you'll notice is neighboring counties. So people drive around, they could have a record at the county next door. So this is another tool you can use. Also, if you notice, there is a California statewide search tool option. So this takes you, if you click on that link, it's going to take you to the main California inmate search page. And what you have here is you have multiple counties and cities to choose from. It's a pretty large list here of counties, but what I want to point out here is you have an option to do a prison database search. So jails and prisons are different. Jails are local, prisons are statewide. Typically people that get sent to prison are going to be felons, repeat offenders, and they have a sentence of 12 months and up. And so you would have to use the California Department of Corrections database to locate that inmate record. So if you got a CDCR number, you can use that, or last name, type that in. One more thing to notice here is the name search on top. Now this is a premium service, so there is a fee, but it's going to save you a lot of time, and it doesn't just look at Riverside County or just the state of California. It's a nationwide database. So people, especially nowadays, move around quite a bit, and they could have a record, an inmate record, arrest record, criminal record in another state. And so those are very hard to locate. There's thousands of county databases to search through. This just compiles all the information into a single database that's virtually instant. So if you want to make sure nothing is missed, go ahead and try out the name search on top here. So once again, there should be a link in the description. Click on that and come on down and get started on your Riverside County, California inmate search.